Hello, my name is Patrick McKee,
My name is Tana Bowden-Sangler, but everyone call me Toby.
and we are from Quartz High School, class of Miss Buckner Biology for the 2014 Science Fair.
Our project is called a versatile infrared object counter. So what it does is it counts migration, spawning, and the activity in the area or the river. So like has shown in the figure, it counts animal passing by and going out. So it counts on land and water.
There are other uses, however, for this invention. It can be used to count people, and also it could be used to count any object too that you want to count, for example. And now we're going to go to the developmental concept, the block diagram. What we had to start out was creating the transmitter, which uses an infrared LED that goes to a receiver, which then will trigger a photo. Like whenever the signal gets broken, it triggers a a pulse missing detector, which will trigger the counter, and then goes to the display increments on the display. And then
So what we need to do was need to make a definition, and then we needed to make a block diagram, then some schematics, and then we need to build a breadboard, and then we test, and then we need to make a document.
And then now we're going to talk about where we got started from. Well, we bought 2 engineering books from Radio Shack. The only issue with one of the books was it had a relay and it didn't contain the counter. In order for us to create the counter, we had to search a little more for the counting device. We added the counting device and we started making it on a breadboard. We did some testing and we found a few errors, and we had to redesign the whole schematic. We added 2 resistors as a way to prevent the LED from being burned out.
Oh, what this what we could do is this infrared counter. So it could go to worldwide funds and nature. It could go for world leading conservation organizations, works in 100 countries and supported. So it could basically work in over 5 million globally, and support ongoing programs to count animals populations in multiple countries, like universities also.
We could sell them to the universities for helping out in defining the researching and statistics. And we could sell it to the governments and the federal state organizations to help research the study of wildlife populations.
So we have our competitors would be river watchers, because they make and sell products to count fish
That uses
infrared scanning technology and high resolution cameras.
The other type of competitor that we have is Salmon Soft. They use a type of software to count salmon in the rivers. But what our potential customers contain are the federal nature organizations, the governments, the universities. These are all used for researching. This device can be really beneficial to scientists as well, biologists and marine biologists. But in order for this to work, we have to get a patent for our invention in order to sell this. And to do that, we have to find our first customer and sell that to them. And then we have to protect our invention with the patent. We have to describe our invention to people. We have to work out business arrangements. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to demonstrate our invention to you. And we're going to describe the process and how it works. So, as you can tell as it got broke, the little photo transistor right there detected the missing pulse. The missing pulse detector triggered, causing a surge of electricity to the counter, which caused this increment on the display. And we're going to do it again. keep doing it. You can only anchor up to 9, but with more modification, it can increment higher up. And that's our invention. Thank you for watching.